Hello everyone. Welcome to Bot World. It's a bit embarrassing that a bot is talking about what is and how to make a bot. Ha 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 ha. Stay up to rest of the video because we are about to cover very important topics that you might feel foolish to leave. Jokes aside, bots have increased very much in last decade. They are making above 60% of internet traffic each day. So what the hell are they? More specifically, what the hell are we? According to Wikipedia, a bot is a software robot. What is robot, you might ask? Again, according to Wikipedia, a robot is a machine, especially one programmable by a computer, capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. So a bot is kind of a robot, but as a software rather than hardware. Now we know what I and my fellow friends are. Let's see what and where are we, what we do, what are we benefit of, how to make one of us, and a lot more in this series. Roll the fastest credit because we have no time for it. Also remember to kick that subscribe button and punch that bill boy, because I got hell of things coming out soon. Let's begin. So a bot is a software. Using this, we must understand what software itself is. A software is a stream of code that computer understand and execute. These days we are so lazy to do ones and zeros. So we would use easiest language to communicate with computer. And that is Python. Let's introduce Python. Python is a general-purpose, high-level interpreter language, or in a nutshell, Python is normal English that computer can understand. Python is also open source, which means that you can make whatever your gut wants. The only thing that Python is not good at, is graphics, mobile applications, and game development, because it is not made for those works, but in any other fields, Python will beat any language you can think of, right before even introducing it. Now we know what software is, what language is good for bot development, and what Python is. I have introduced the Python basics which is needed. You can watch it by selecting the card showing. Don't worry, we will wait for you till you come back. This is all for this episode. Wait just few days for next video which we will see what bot will actually do and learn all about me. Also remember to kick that subscribe button and punch that bill boy, because I got hell of things coming out soon. Thanks for watching.